So here we have this Prostormer 210 piece household hand tool set. Now if you don't have very many tools or are just getting into DIY, then this is a super great starter kit that has lots of useful tools for DIY work. It's also just a great general purpose kit that you can have around the house or in your car that you know will probably have the tool that you're looking for. Anyway, let's take a look at a few of the tools. You've got a small hacksaw, a few different kinds of pliers, this wire stripper, a decent utility knife with extra blades, some different screwdrivers, a decent set of metric sockets and wrenches, along with this extender and ratchet, this crescent wrench, channel locks, a really nice 9-inch level with a magnet on the bottom, this metric Allen wrench set, and a bunch of other tools. Most of the tools here are pretty solid, and I'm happy to say that almost all of them stay in their spot surprisingly well, even if I slam the top down. The case is also pretty decent, but the latches aren't the best. Anyway, like I said before, this is just a good general purpose kit for your home. It has a little bit of everything, so it's a one-stop shop for all your home repairs. So if you're looking for a convenient tool case to keep everything you need in one spot, this is perfect.